Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video on a Metabo HPT tool and a deal that's going on at Lowe's, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I grabbed this and the item that's in this bag from Lowe's, but we're gonna particularly talk about this today. I know the box is a little banged up. It did have one of those plastic straps, you know, all over it. I actually had asked the Lowe's gentleman to help me open it because I wanted to make sure that everything was in the box, because it doesn't sound extremely well packaged. I wanted to make sure that everything was in there. It wasn't like an open box item. But I'm not sure why, but my Lowe's, and this is a YMMV kind of deal, so your mileage may vary kind of deal. All the Metabo HPT tools at Lowe's were normal price, but this, they actually had a yellow sticker under this that was actually saying this triple hammer from Metabo was $37, and 1165,990 Metabo 18-volt triple hammer, $37.00. I believe the sticker was like $37.99 or something like that. And then I got the DeWalt 3-piece right angle attachment. Give me 1 second. So this is a picture that I'll show you guys real quick. So here is the triple hammer that was still sitting there, and the price tag. If I zoom in, and I will put this in the video as well, it was $37.25. So it wasn't really that bad. I will bring you guys back after I insert the receipt and the photo right now. Alright, so we're back. So $37.25. I actually had one of the employees go up to the front with me because she witnessed it. It rang up at $67, or it was $69, I don't remember. I think it was $67 is what it rang up as. And she told him that there is a yellow price sticker on it for $37.25. I don't think he heard very well, and he just put $37, which for this that's a pretty killer deal. $37, especially when most of the time this is $199, and every once in a while they drop it down to $179, sometimes $149, depending on the store. I know stores near Phoenix, for me, these are normally $179. Store that I went to, they're normally about $149. But you know, if you look at it at the full price that it came out at $199 at one point, you know, and you only pay $37, you're looking at $150 something that you saved. And this is just a quick deal that I wanted to show you guys. If anybody's looking for the triple hammer, you know, your miles may vary. Check, you know, stores around you. They may have it priced at $37.25. I got it for $37, which, you know, 25 cents isn't much, but it was nice that I got it for $37, and I wasn't going to leave it at the store for $37. And I did already open it. I opened it in the store. But And we will do a separate video on this as well, just specifically talking about the tool. But the instructions, warranty card, belt clip, lanyard, let's see, grab a battery. The switch is a little loose though. Let's see how loose it is. So, might actually have to take it back. This one might have been damaged because it wasn't. You can see all of this is loose, including the trigger. See how loose the trigger is. So, might have to take it back, but you know, 37 bucks is not bad at all. Turns on. And this one has the different modes on it. So the modes are on the side. So slow, medium, and then I think the P is for pulse and the S is for something else. I've never actually bought one of these before. Battery. You know what, I'll read you guys the specs in the next video. This is just going to be the deal video. I don't want the video to be too long. But I will definitely replace it if I have an issue with it. Not a big deal. You know, $37 is a pretty killer price. But just wanted to show you guys, you know, if you guys are looking for the triple hammer, you could possibly find it for $37. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also do have an Ulsa Tools link. Go ahead and click on that link. It'll get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. If you guys need it, go ahead and use it. It also does kick me back 10% off my next purchase from Ulsa Tools, so it does help me when you guys use it. I do hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!